Hey everybody, I'm Sarah. This is Creative Ramblings. Welcome to my channel where I share simple, inspiring projects every week. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a video. If you are returning, thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. We are talking about American Girl clothes today. Now, I shared a video last week kind of introducing you to American Girls and 18-inch dolls and what we do here at my house. I have two daughters, 8 and almost 5, and they love their American Girl dolls, and they have a lot of accessories, a lot of clothes, a lot of stuff. If you're watching this video, I'm sure you can relate. So in last week's video, which you can find a link to and watch, I took you to Dollar Tree with me and showed you a whole bunch of accessories that you can get at Dollar Tree and use with your American Girl dolls. So be sure to check that one out. Today, we're talking all about clothes. We have tried many ways to organize clothes over the years that my girls have had dolls. Again, they're 8 and 4. And so the way that they organize and the way that they use their doll clothes and accessories is really specific to them. Your girls, or if you're a girl and you're watching this, your style of organizing is gonna be different, maybe different. So I am gonna show you 4 ways to organize doll clothes. Some of these are really good for older girls, some are good for younger girls. You're gonna figure out which one works for you, and hopefully you're gonna go home and try it. Now, what our doll clothes came to was this basket right here. This is literally just filled with clothes. We have had some great organizing ideas over the last couple years, but at the end of last year, we kind of just ended up in this basket. And it didn't work because my girls cannot see their clothes, they can't find what they're looking for, and it's not good for the clothes. These are expensive, really well-made pieces of clothes, and this is not the right place to store it. So I'm gonna show you what works for us and what we are using now, and hopefully one of these methods is going to work for you. So, 4 ways to organize American Girl clothes. Let me show you the way number 1. Okay, the first way to organize American Girl doll clothes is actually pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. I'm gonna tell you that this way works really well for older girls and girls who are naturally organized. Some kids just are, some parents, some adults just are naturally organized. Everything has to be in its place and everything works well when it's in its place. So this way works really well for those girls. And that is honestly keeping the clothes in the box they came from, organized by outfit. So we actually have one here that my daughter just got as a gift and hasn't taken it out of the package yet. But everything's in here. The outfit, the shoes, the sunglasses, the hair clips, everything is organized in one. So you can close these boxes up, keep them organized by doll, stack them up on a shelf, and they're all organized by outfit, exactly how you need them here. You can head to the craft store and pick up some labels like this and add labels to the front of these boxes as well. You can let the girls write what they want on these labels. Maybe they're gonna write the doll's name or the outfit or however they want to organize these pieces. The second way to organize American Girl doll clothes is using these really handy clear containers. This method is a lot like organizing in the original box, but it's a little more visual. It allows you to see through the container to exactly what you have. This is great for younger girls or girls who aren't reading yet. It's also great for girls of any age that are just more visual, who want to be able to see what there is instead of read it. From an adult perspective, I really like this when I'm organizing shoes in my closet. I want to be able to see them. If they're in a shoe box, I'm not necessarily going to wear them as often as if I can see them in a clear box or on my shoe rack. So, organizing in clear containers. This is a 10-pack of Rubbermaid containers. It is in the food section of your local store, and these are pretty inexpensive. And so this 10-pack has 5 larger containers and 5 smaller containers. These larger containers are really good for storing clothing by type. In this one here, we have a couple pair of pajamas. And so it's a really nice way, I've got 4 in here, a nice way to just store pajamas. And then again, using a label, we could write pajamas on here, or my girls know what their pajamas look like. They might be fine just looking through the side and seeing what's in it. These boxes all stack nicely on one another. You can then go put them on a shelf. These small containers are really great for organizing an outfit that has a lot of little pieces. So this soccer uniform comes with shorts and a shirt. We've got socks and shin guards and a pair of shoes. This also came with a soccer ball, which would fit in here. This is deep enough, but the girls have it out in their makeshift soccer stadium that they have set up. But a container like this lets us keep all the little pieces in one and then put this away. We've got a dance outfit here. This is kind of a fancy outfit that comes with shoes and a headband. So this organizing in clear containers is really great for organizing by doll or by outfit. Again, good for girls who maybe can't read or are just more visual when it comes to organizing. The third method for organizing American Girl clothes is using a hanging jewelry organizer like this. Now, this isn't a shoe organizer. Shoe organizers that hang over your door are really big. This uses the same concept, but it's jewelry sized. So you can find a link down below to something very similar to this. I found this at Walmart for $10 and it's double-sided. So you can fit a lot in here. It hangs on a hook, so you could hang it in a closet, or you could add maybe a command hook to the area where the dolls are and just hang it up there. But it spins around. And so on the other side of here, I have started to add shoes. Now, most of these pockets will hold a pair of shoes really well. For some of the bigger, like these rain boots up here, we've got a pair of boots down here. You can do one pocket for each. On the bottom of this organizer, there are larger pockets too to hold extra pieces down here. Now my girls have a lot of shoes, so we can actually use this whole side just for shoes. Now if we turn it around, we have another side here to work with. Now again, this is great for really visual girls who want to organize by category so they can see what they have when they're dressing their dolls. This also makes it easy for girls to put clothes away because all these pockets are clear. They don't necessarily have to put everything back in the right spot. They can kind of put it where they want it as long as it's away. So you could have a row for skirts, a couple rows for shirts, a couple rows for pants, and something a little bit bulkier like this, like a sweater or a jacket. Maybe that goes down below in these larger pockets. So for $10, we've got a whole side that can organize clothes and a whole side that can organize shoes. I really like this idea. It can hang anywhere. If you don't have a dedicated spot for dolls, what I really like about this is that the girls can put their things away and this can get hung in a closet when you're done with it. So idea number three, jewelry organizer for doll clothes. All right, method number 4 for storing American Girl doll clothes is in one of these underbed storage containers. So if left as is, this storage container becomes just another one of these baskets. It becomes just another place where we throw all the doll clothes. But what I did is I put a little grid in here, a little organizer in here. And all this is a Shutterfly box that I had, and we cut some ridges in it. So I kind of measured out how wide my box was, and I cut a strip and then just cut some slits in it. And I made 2 this size, and then some shorter strips that'll fit the other way. And these have some slits in them as well. And so these form a grid inside the box that's gonna help organize those clothes. So this box with a grid can be organized however you like, however your girls like. It doesn't have to be labeled, but it is really easy to see. You can pull this out from under the bed, take the top off, and really see what's in it. So you can organize by type. You could put all the dresses on one side, or you could organize by outfit. This little cheerleader's outfit has a dress. I think it has some bloomers, pom-poms, shoes, and a headband. And you could put all of that in one. Depending on the space underneath your bed, you could use a couple of these and store all your clothes. So method number 4, underbed storage with a grid on it. All right, so we've got 4 ways to organize American Girl clothes. We talked about putting them in their original boxes. Again, this is great for girls who are kind of have that natural organizing bug, girls who are a little bit older and who are fine having their doll clothes organized and just having labels on the outside of the boxes. Labels like this can be picked up at a craft store, and you could write the doll's name on them. And I know the original outfit that Grace came in, my girls don't put her in very often, so we can add it to one of these boxes, put the label on it, and then we know exactly where it is. The second method for organizing doll clothes is in these clear Rubbermaid containers. You can easily fit 1 outfit per container with all the pieces, shoes, shirt, pants, skirt, headband, all the accessories that come with it. And this is great for visual girls because they can see the outfit through the container, or again, you can add one of these labels to it and write down what that outfit is. Or you can use the larger containers and organize by category. So this is a container of pajamas. And these all stack really nicely, and they're gonna go well on a shelf by your doll stuff. Method number 3 is this hanging jewelry organizer. It stores shoes wonderfully. It is 2-sided. And so there's also a place to store doll clothes in here. It hangs on a hook, which means you can put it in your closet or on a hook by your dolls. Method number 4 is underbed storage with a divider. Be sure to make that divider out of cardboard. It's really easy to do. You don't need to go buy something fancy. But this is a great way to, again, organize the clothes by type or by outfit, and then keep it under your bed where it's out of the way. So I will tell you that what we use most is these little clear containers we organize by outfit. Especially pieces like this. This is a dance outfit and a soccer outfit. The ones that have a lot of little pieces that come with them that are very specific, we like to keep them organized like this. This hanging organizer, the shoe side, has been phenomenal. Prior to this, all of our shoes have been in a box, and it's hard for the girls to find them. So this way they can see everything, and it's really easy to put back. What my girls like about this is you don't have to put the pink shoes right here. When you're done with them, you can put them back wherever you want, as long as they go on the organizer. The back side of this works really well for clothes. Again, the girls can put them away when they're done, but they don't have to go in a specific spot. They can really just go anywhere as long as they're put away. And at the end of the day, I'm hoping that my girls are putting their stuff away. I don't mind too much exactly where it is. So these little containers and this work really well for us. And then we have a smaller version of this box where we keep some of the other items organized by category. Tights and pants and that type of thing organized in each one. So that is 4 ways to organize your American Girl doll clothes. I really hope you find this helpful. If you are a doll fan and you have some tips that you want to share with me or any of my viewers, let me know down in the comments. How do you organize your clothes? If you have any other questions that you have about how to organize American Girl stuff, let me know as well. You can expect a couple more videos this month on organizing accessories and some DIY projects that we're making for our dollhouse. Please subscribe for more simple, inspiring projects, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.